YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my winter skincare routine. So everything from morning routine, evening routine, post-workout, when I remove my makeup, what I do to bring my face back to this. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Before you go, please hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the great videos I make here for the channel. Beauty, hair, nail, skincare, travel, tech, food, my 2 cents. We want you to be a part of it. So we need you to hit the subscribe button. That way you can be a part, and also drop in the comments below so that way I know what you think and feel about the different things we're talking about. Also, hit the like button if you like this video so I know to make more videos like it, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when I post a new video or go live. Alright, so I'm fresh faced today. So as you can see, normally when I do skincare videos, I'm like fully made up and I'm like, here's my skincare routine. So I figured I should come here with my fresh face so you guys can see what's going on behind all the makeup, right? So basically, at the beginning of 2023, I made a grand announcement for those of you who are not new here about how 2023 was going to be my year of skincare, right? I was going to do all these things to focus on skincare, and my skin was clear, my acne decreased, my hyperpigmentation went away, and my skin was absolutely gorgeous. But one of the main products that I was using was Kiehls Dark Spot Corrector Serum, and that the big value size is $144. So I was like, there's got to be something cheaper that will give me the same results. So then I went out on a crazy quest to find something that would get rid of my hyperpigmentation, be good for my oily skin, wouldn't aggravate my acne or sensitive skin, and would help me get clear, baby smooth skin. So unfortunately, I have not found the product to replace Kiehls yet, but I'm still on that search. And unfortunately, a drawback of me stopping using the Kiehls Dark Spot Corrector Serum is that I now have my hyperpigmentation back. So let's get into the skin thing. So as you can see, based on my forehead and cheeks already, I have oily skin, oily combination. So I do get dry and peely here, but for the most part, nose, cheeks, chin, forehead, chin is all going to be shiny, greasy, McGreasy. And that is just the way it is. In terms of acne, I am acne prone. I get a lot of pimples and acne on my nose and on my chin. I'll get a few forehead pimples every now and then sometimes my cheeks get creative, you know, just for a little razzle dazzle, they'll throw a pimple in there. In terms of hyperpigmentation, so I do have these spots around my mouth. So there's one there, and then I have another one there. And I do have like darkness, discoloration along the bottom of my face, and then I have like a natural kind of contour line on the sides of my face where my cheekbone is. I also have like a birthmark here, you know, the bags and the dark circles right there, a little discoloration of my eyes, and then my forehead is mostly just oily and pimple prone. So that is the skin breakdown. And it's so funny, for people who know me, I'm like a shopper. So if it's like, if there's something, like, buy it. You should buy it. You get it. Deserve it. Treat yourself. And I stopped using the Kiehls serum. And the first thing people were like, ooh, what is this mark on the side of your face? So you have it looks like a dark mark on your face. What is a dark mark on your face? And then when I explained how much the Kiehls cost, and then like me trying to find a cheaper version, they're like, oh yeah, you know, good luck with that. I hope you find something cheaper. So, yeah, so the hyperpigmentation is hyperpigmentating because I have stopped using the Kiehls. I did try some other products, didn't really find anything that has worked or has cleared my skin, including something in this video, which I'll have the full review coming soon. It's only been 3 or 4 weeks, so I don't want to give a full review yet. But let me jump into the product so that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to start off with morning routine, right? So when I wake up in the morning, first thing I do is wash my face. So I do my skincare routine in the shower, the first part. So cleanser is going to be one of these two bad boys. The one I've been trying out, it's always Philosophy Philosophy Made Simple One Step Facial Cleanser. This is the best cleanser of all time. I will never not use this, but I thought this was going to be a drugstore dupe for this. It is not, but this is the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser for acne prone skin, fragrance free. I don't really like it, but I bought it, so I'm using it. So that is the cleanser now. So once I use this up, it's going to be full-time Philosophy. But now, most mornings, what I do is the first cleanse with this, second cleanse with that, because I am a double cleanse girl. If you have dry skin, you might have to be careful and kind of gauge with the double cleanse. But for the oily skin girls, it is a lifesaver. For my exfoliator, I use the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. So that is also by Philosophy. I get these two in a set from QVC. That way I can get the deals. They used to sell them at Sephora, but Sephora stopped selling Philosophy skincare at such large and mass. There's like a few little things on their website when I had last checked, but not when I needed. So next, after I cleanse my face, I use the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Very controversial. All of the dermatologists now are like, you don't need a toner, it's a waste of money. But having oily skin, there's nothing worse than, especially if you wash your face in the shower, and then what I do is I step out and do body care, like lotion, body oils, and then get dressed and then do my skincare. So for me, my face has already repopulated all the oil once I finish doing that. So the toner is a real good fresh start, because my skin is still clean, but it really wipes off that newly formed oil that just came in the space of time from when I get out the shower, body care, get dressed, and then it's like there's oil again. So the toner really helps to remove all of that. Once I remove that toner, I then start to go in with my serums. So the first serum I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius. So as you can see, I am a victim of the late 90s, early 2000s wax all your brows off. So I'm trying to grow them back. And I saw Nikki Tutorial's video where she did the before after showing this product, and she literally had like struggle lashes like mine, and then she went to like regular people lashes. So this is my first bottle of it, so the jury's still out, but I'm using this. Next I have the next treatment that I use after I do the brow treatment is Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. So this thing has been going viral for a while. People claim it's amazing. Jury's still out. I have some good, but I also have some bad. So, but I'm liking it a lot so far. Next, after I do the serum treatments, I then go into cream or moisturizer. So that would be for the eye cream, I use Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I always have one of these around. And then for my overall face lotion, I'm using Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel. It's SPF 25, which is not enough SPF to do anything. But I had already bought this and I'm finishing it. So even though I don't like it, that's just what it is in my life right now. I'm really trying hard to not have no product graveyards. Like if I buy it, unless it ravishes my skin, I'm using it till it's done. Like that's just what it has to be in my life now. Sunscreen, last step, Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. So although this does have SPF 25, that is not enough to do anything. So I pull up with the SPF 40 and put that on. So that is my morning skincare routine. So next, in terms of what usually happens with my life, is that it will be a makeup removal, because after I do my skincare, I then go in to do my makeup, live my life for the day, and then I come home to remove makeup. So if I have glittery eye shadow or like a heavy makeup look, I will go in with the 3-in-1 Micellar cleansing water from Up and Up from Target. So this is just as good as the Bioderma and it's cheaper. Then once I remove the heavy makeup, I will do a removal with one of these two products. Usually what happens is I remove my makeup first with this. This is the Natrium Fermented Camellia Creamy Cleansing Oil. And then once I do one cleanse with this, then I'll come in with the Philosophy Purity Made Simple One Step Facial Cleanser. You can use this multiple times, but it just does give like a oily, sticky kind of residue afterward. Your skin doesn't feel clean, and because my skin's already oily, I just prefer to go in with the Philosophy afterward. So after I do that, I will then go back and then do a, usually what happens is after I remove my makeup, I'm then probably going to go to the gym later, which I will then do a simple put on some moisturizer all over, maybe a little eye cream if I'm feeling snazzy, but then just head to go work out. And then once I come back from working out, I'm going to wash my face with Purity Made Simple. Because I do have acne prone skin, I find that when I am regularly washing my face after I work out, I have less acne. So that is where I come in with that. Nighttime skincare routine. So this is right before I go to bed, what the products I use. So I'm gonna get a workout today picking this thing up. I first wash my face with this. After I wash my face with that, I then tone it with the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Once I'm finished washing and toning, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Night Repair Multi-Recovery Complex. If you know, you know. There's a reason why the old ladies love this thing. Me, I and the old lady, we are old ladies. Let me tell you, this stuff makes your skin, it's like the fountain of youth a little bit. Like, I don't know what's in it. This and then the Kiehls Midnight Recovery Elixir, those two, it's something in them that you just, once you start putting them on regularly on your skin just totally upgrades itself. So you put that on. Once I put that on, I then go in with the creamy eye treatment. And then once I put my eye cream on the rest of my face, I use the Banish Vitamin C Lightweight Cleanser. This was sent to me, so I'm just finishing it up. So it's my new nighttime cream. It's way too oily for oily skin people to wear it during the day, so that's why I'm using it as a night cream. But I'm also intermittently testing out new little samples that I get that are like creamy night cream. So right now I'm using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream. So I've been using this before I go to bed on my face, and I really like it. It is a great facial cleanser. Now there are some other, last step of the night care routine, last two steps, is before I go to bed, I will apply the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask over on top of all of the other skincare that I just did. And then on my lips, I will go in with the Laniege Lip Sleeping Mask. I have a set, so I have the berry, I had the peppermint before, and this one is the caramel apple. So this is just the one that I have for right now. I also have like a lemon looking one. This one smells so good, but in a candy, sugary, you probably shouldn't be eating this kind of way, and I love that. It's like a delectable dessert. So then that is what I put on my lips as the last step of my night care routine. In the morning, I also do apply it depending on like the lip product I'm gonna wear. Or sometimes I'll just go for like a colored balm instead. So then it does like 2 for 1. I get my lip color plus a little lip balm. So it just depends. But I use this all the time, not just at night. I use it morning, evening, afternoon, anytime my lips feel dry. So that is my nighttime skincare routine. Some honorable mentions that I don't know where they really fit in with the skincare routines, but just to show you that I use them. Banish Fighter Gel calms breakouts and eczema. So whenever I get a pimple, usually after I cleanse my face, but before I go in with like the acids that kind of could burn or hurt it, I put the Fighter Gel on those little areas that are sensitive, just so that way my skin is calm and doesn't have any issues. I'll do that in my night care routine also, but like for right now, like today my skin is kind of pretty good. I don't have any really problem areas, so like I didn't use this, but this is great to have in the cut ready to use it when your skin goes crazy, because you don't want to have to wait and buy it and wait for it to come online after your face has already had a reaction. You want it in the stash. So that's one thing I have. And then next I have the Leaf Dermaplanner. So I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I really love it. I dermaplane my face probably like every 7 to 9 days. I am very hairy. And I have a lot of vellus hairs on my face, so in order to make sure that my products and everything are getting down to the things, plus you know, the little mustachy stash and all of that, you want to shave it off. I use the Leaf Dermaplanner. It's really sharp. It works really well. I'm gonna have a full review on this one coming up soon too, but one of my favorite products. So those are all the things that I use for my skincare routine. Definitely let me know if what your favorite routines products are for your morning routine, your night routine, post-workout, just like when you want to refresh your face. If there's one singular skincare product that you love and could not live without, or one product that you think is a game changer since you add it to your skincare routine, drop down in the comment section below. Let us know so that way I could try it out too, okay? So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time.